I'm a licensed pilot, and in this video, we're flying an IFR arrival into Montreal with real VATSIM ATC audio. We'll cover the star, descent instructions, approach clearance, landing clearance, and even the after landing taxi. This is what IFR comms actually sound like and how to handle them step by step. We're coming in from the west on the Alouette 4 arrival. We've already been cleared onto the star and handed off to Montreal arrivals. Now it's time to check in. We're level at 13,000 feet. Since we're not climbing or descending, I'm going to say level. It keeps it clear and simple. Montreal arrivals, good evening. Air Canada 808, level 1, 3,000 feet.
Air Canada 808, Montreal arrivals, good evening. Identified Montreal information Victor, altimeter 3010. Expect the ILS runway 06 left. When ready, descend 8,000. Proceed direct halves.
Altimeter 3010, ILS 06 left, descending 8,000, direct Habs, Air Canada 808. We've got the approach setup. Altimeter, approach type, descent, and routing. Let's set the altimeter, 3010. Update the MCP to 8,000. And go direct to Habs in the MCDU. Now confirm that the aircraft's following it properly. We've just passed 10,000 feet. Now, we'll put the landing lights on and the seatbelt sign on.
Air Canada 808, descend 4,000.
4,000, Air Canada 808. Now we're getting sequenced tighter. This puts us below the intermediate fix, setting us up to intercept the localizer.
Air Canada 808, via Xulta, clear for the ILS approach runway 06 left.
Via Xulta, cleared ILS 06 left, Air Canada 808. Xulta is the final fix on the star. Now that we're cleared, we can intercept the localizer and follow the glide slope. No more vectors unless otherwise told. Let's hit the LS button so that we could see our lateral and vertical guidance. Now we'll arm the approach mode to intercept the localizer. Speed check, flaps 1. Now that we're established on the ILS, we're going to be handed off to tower very soon where we'll receive our landing clearance. Speed check, flaps 3.
Air Canada 808, contact tower 119.9, have a good one.
119.9, Air Canada 808, good night. Montreal Tower, Air Canada 808, established on the ILS 06 left.
Air Canada 808, Montreal Tower, good evening, 1010 at 8, clear land over 06 left.
Clear to land 06 left, Air Canada 808. Okay, so we're on the glide slope and we're clear to land. Runway's in sight. Speed check, flaps full.
2,500.
Gear down. Boilers are armed. Auto brake set to low. Landing lights are on. Cabin is ready. Since my PC is not the most powerful PC, when it comes to flaring or taking off in the Phoenix A320, it seems to struggle with the inputs. Oftentimes I've noticed that it kind of has a delay, but it really depends what airport I'm flying to. But here at Montreal, it's a hit or miss. Right now it looks like it's running pretty smooth, so I'm hopeful there won't be any input lag.
1,000.
tad quick and just a little high.
100 above.
Not the most stable,
500.
but we're pretty centerline, so we're good.
400. 300. Minimum
Continue.
200.
Okay, it's giving me a bit of lag on the input. Hopefully I don't mess the landing up.
50. 40.
Oh, it's not flaring.
20. Retard.
Okay, yeah, there you go. Spoilers up. Reversers green. Switching to manual braking. Well, the input was a little delayed there, but the landing wasn't terrible, so there you go. That's good.
Air Canada 808, exit right Bravo 5, potentially gate 47 via Bravo 5, Bravo. Echo, right turn on the north ramp, then the south ramp. Good night.
Gate 47, right Bravo 5, Bravo, Echo, right turn north ramp to south ramp, Air Canada 808, good night. After landing checklist, flaps up, spoilers disarmed, APU start, radar and predictive wind shear off.
All stations, Marshall Tower now closing monitoring, come once.
And that's a full IFR arrival, from star to touchdown and taxi. If you're learning IFR or just curious how real radio calls work, I hope this gave you a clear example. Comment if you want to see IFR departure, en route phase, or anything else broken down.